Hi, Ariana.
Hi.
What was your favorite part about this trip?
My favorite part was probably going on the boat and tubing and stuff, and going to the beach and playing in the sand and stuff. So, yeah.
Cool. Did you have a lot of fun?
Yep.
Cool. Thanks.
Yep. Hi.
Did you have fun on this trip?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Probably going to the beach and going on the boat.
Okay. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Did you have fun this week?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Going fishing.
Cool.
Did you catch any fish? Yes.
That's cool. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Hi.
Do you like this trip?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Probably tubing, skiing, going to the beach and stuff.
Yeah, that was pretty fun, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, well, did you have a lot of fun here?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, bye.